Now let's look at how to configure and use the bulk SMS feature of the application. Now we can find that at the SMS manager. You can see that we have a lot of them here. Now if you go to custom SMS, this is where if you want to send SMS to certain phone numbers, you can just manually type the phone numbers here and then you enter your message. So you can see some examples here. So assuming you want to send an SMS to this phone number here, let's say, hey, this is a try, like that. You try to send it and then look at what actually happens. API key is not specified and you're going to get this kind of challenge until you configure it. Okay, we'll do that in a moment. Now when you come to the bulk SMS, over here you don't kind of enter the phone numbers yourself. You select the category of student you want to send a message to. Then once you filter, all of the phone numbers will be populated. All you need to do is to type the body of your SMS and then you go ahead and send it. So for example, if I want to send message to all active students, filter, and you can see that we have this and that over here. And the reason why you see just these two is because all of these things were populated with the same phone number. And we see 2 because this one begins with a 0. Over here we didn't include a 0, and that's why we see 2. Otherwise it's going to be 1. Now let's go ahead and configure the SMS, because if you try to send any SMS here, it will not go through. API key is not specified. So let's look at how to configure that. So with this one here, we fall on mNotify bulk SMS system to do that. So all I would want you to do is to go ahead and click on this link here, mNotify. You create an account with mNotify if you don't have one. So if this is your first time coming here, you just have to sign up. Okay, if you've signed up before, all you have to do is to enter your phone number, your password, and you are good to log in. Yes. Okay, good. Now when you log in, what you are going to do is look up here. Okay, look up here. You'll find like something like your name is going to be here. Just click on it. It's going to drop down. When it drops down, you see something like developer. Click on that. Okay, good. So when you click on that, it's going to generate all of these thing here for you. Okay, what we are going to do is that we want to create an API key, because if you see from here, this is what we are going to do. We need API key with version 2.0, and then you need a sender ID. So that's what we are going to do. You can see API v2.0. I'm going to click on that. Then over here I'll click on create API key. Now you have to give it a name. Okay, just give it any name, maybe the name of your school. So let me create school here, and then the usage limit, type 1000 there. If you want, you can type 10,000, as much as you want. Okay, good. So you can now see that we've created a new API key for school, and this is the API key. Okay, and it is disabled, so as at now it is not functional. So what you are going to do is to turn this one here on. Good, you want to enable. Once you are done enabling this, you can go ahead and copy this. This is what we are referring to as the API key. So you come here and then paste it here. And the next thing is called the sender ID. So with the sender ID, all you have to do is just click on this one here to go home. Good. Now you can see something like add sender ID. So you just click on this one and you go ahead and create a sender ID. Now it is advisable to use the initials of your school. So if your school is God's Way School, you can just do something like God's Way School, like the popular one that is well known. Now the purpose is maybe for sending bulk SMS to students, like that. Then you go ahead and register. Good. Once you are done registering, all you have to do is to copy God's Way School, come here and then paste it like that and save. Now we are done configuring it. The next thing you would want to do right now is to be able to send SMS. So let's begin with the custom SMS here. And let's say I want to send an SMS to this number. Okay, type the message here. Okay, and then you click on this one to send. and you can see that it was able to send the SMS. I've received this message here on my phone, but I can't show you. Okay. The other thing is, if you want to send bulk SMS to a lot of students, all you have to do is to select the category of student you want to send a message to. Type your message here and then click on send. The last thing is with the report. This is going to give you information about the kind of SMS that have been sent, the type, and then who actually initiated that kind of message.